How to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on the settings and privacy. Then scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of logout. So as you tap on logout, so when you log out, you can just go back to the TikTok over here, and as you log out, you'll be able to see the story of the other person and the other person will not be able to see who has viewed them. So that's how you can view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.